But let's find out what the standout brokerage report is of the day. Nimesh is here to give us the lowdown. Nimesh, hi.
Hi, morning, Sonia. So today's standout is on BHEL, a big report from DAM Capital. In fact, they've upgraded the stock to a buy now with a target price of 100 rupees, which potentially means over a 60% upside from current levels. In fact, DAM has gone ahead and upgraded the stock after 54 quarters on the back of strong turnaround in profitability as well as in earnings. Now, the key reason why they're upgrading, one, they believe under the new scheme, India wants to add up to 28 gigawatt by FY30, of which nearly 30 to 40 gigawatt will be added in terms of capacity through the thermal route. So, and that way, there is an expectation that at least BHEL will get 5 gigawatt per annum for the next 2 years. So BHEL will be a legitimate and a legal beneficiary of this shift because of the 60% market share that BHEL enjoys in the thermal power business. Now, with this kind of order inflows over the next couple of years, for FY25, DAM Capital is estimating a revenue of close to 30,000 crores for BHEL, an EBITDA of 2,800 crores, and a PAT of close to 2,000 crores. So a big number is what DAM Capital expects BHEL to deliver over the next 3 years from now, and hence after 54 quarters, they've gone ahead and upgraded BHEL to a buy with a target price of 100 rupees.
Nimesh, that's an interesting one. By the way, do they mention anything in terms of risks here? The last time, there was this big cycle, power cycle, what kind of spoiled the party. One of the things was big imports from China, which were cheaper, right? You'd remember. I mean, any mention there in that report about risks here? Yeah.
So, Prashant, in terms of risk, they've mentioned two bit of risk, which obviously is going to be there for BHEL. One, of course, if there is a delay in the thermal power execution, because again, this is the first time that after many years, you're seeing a bit of focus back in the thermal side. So this momentum has to continue for BHEL to do well. So that's one big risk. The second big risk is the working capital risk. We've seen in the past cycle as well how BHEL got really hurt in terms of the working capital. This time it looks like the working capital cycle is going to be quite strong, and the bigger, the big focus of the upgrade is the fact that DAM Capital expects a big shift towards thermal, and where BHEL has got a big market share, and hence they believe that for the next couple of years the order inflow will be quite strong. In fact, this is the second report, Prashant, if you remember. The first was Nomura a couple of weeks back. They came out and upgraded BHEL to neutral, and now we are seeing DAM Capital upgrading the stock to a buy now. So gradually, I think market has started, focusing on the thermal execution and the fact that thermal power orders will go up for BHEL going forward.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot for that, Nimesh. But the spotlight is